Portable air compressors for cars ensure proper tire pressure, improve fuel efficiency, enhance safety, and provide quick roadside emergency support anytime. My today's video is about top 5 best portable air compressors for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable tire inflator is a practical must-have for every driver. Designed to operate using a 12V DC cigarette lighter, it works only when your vehicle is running, ensuring consistent power for reliable performance. The generous 9.8-foot cord easily reaches all tires in most standard vehicles, adding convenience during roadside emergencies. Its programmable inflation feature makes tire maintenance effortless. Simply press the M button to select your preferred pressure unit, adjust with the plus and up buttons, and let the inflator handle the rest. The smart preset and auto shutoff function automatically stop inflation once the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and saving time. Compact and lightweight, this tire inflator fits neatly in your glove box, trunk, or under a seat without taking up valuable space. The digital backlit display ensures clear readings, while the built-in flashlight with one-touch LED control makes nighttime use simple and safe. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for both men and women. Now our second product is Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator delivers quick, accurate performance in a compact, travel-friendly design. Built with high-quality materials, it inflates car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, and bicycle tires up to 120 psi within minutes. Small enough to fit in your glove box or trunk, it's a reliable companion for everyday driving and emergencies. Using the plus and up buttons, you can easily preset your desired pressure, connect the hose, and press the center start button. The auto shutoff feature stops inflation automatically once the correct pressure is reached, ensuring safety and precision. Its large LCD screen clearly displays readings, and you can switch between PSI, kPa bar, and kg/cm with a single press. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with fast USB-C charging, Airmoto also includes a built-in LED flashlight for low-light situations and a deflate button for fine adjustments. With multiple adapters included, it inflates tires, sports balls, and small inflatables, making it a smart investment for peace of mind on the road. Our third product is OlarHike Cordless Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The OlarHike Tire Inflator delivers impressive speed and convenience in a compact, travel-ready design. Powered by a high-performance motor, it inflates a standard 195/65 or 15 tire from 30 to 35 psi in just 55 seconds, while larger SUV tires reach the same increase in about 2.2 minutes. It's suitable for cars, SUVs, light pickups, up to 51 psi, motorcycles, bikes, and sports balls. With dual power options, you can use the 6000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery for cordless freedom or plug into a 12V car outlet for continuous operation. A single charge handles multiple top-offs up to 18 standard car tires, making it ideal for road trips and emergencies. It even doubles as a power bank via USB output. The ultra-large dual LED display shows real-time and preset pressure, while auto shutoff prevents overinflation. 4 preset modes, memory function, and multiple unit options ensure user-friendly operation. Lightweight, award-winning, and thoughtfully designed, it's a reliable addition to any vehicle. Now number 4, Airtally Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This premium portable air compressor blends sleek design with serious performance. Built with an all-metal cylinder and high-efficiency motor, it delivers impressive power, capable of inflating a standard car tire in just 1.2 minutes. The ergonomic grip and refined finish make it both durable and comfortable to use. Its cordless design, powered by a robust 5200 mAh battery, offers complete freedom without cable limitations. On a single charge, it can inflate up to 37 bicycle tires, making it ideal for road trips, outdoor rides, and emergencies. Soft start-stop technology reduces mechanical stress and current spikes, extending the unit's lifespan by up to 27. The large 3.47-inch dual-screen LED display clearly shows real-time and preset pressure values for precise control, supported by a plus or minus 1 psi accuracy sensor and automatic shutoff. A built-in LED light with steady and strobe modes enhances nighttime safety. With smart memory, pressure relief for off-road traction, and 6 intuitive buttons, this inflator is a reliable, user-friendly tool for any vehicle owner. And our last choice is Aneson Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable tire inflator delivers rapid, reliable performance for both road emergencies and daily maintenance. With a powerful 150 psi motor, it can inflate a 195/65/15 tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1 minute, saving valuable time when dealing with low pressure or unexpected leaks. A full charge supports up to 4 car tires, making it perfect for commuters, SUV owners, and long-distance drivers who want to avoid frequent gas station stops. The auto shutoff feature ensures safe, worry-free operation by stopping at your preset pressure, preventing overinflation. A built-in LED light provides steady illumination for nighttime repairs and an SOS mode for roadside emergencies. Its upgraded dual-screen HD LCD clearly displays real-time and preset pressure readings, even under bright sunlight. With 5 preset modes, car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and manual, it offers one-touch convenience for various inflation needs. Compact, cordless, and lightweight, this inflator fits easily in trunks or backpacks, making it a practical tool for drivers, cyclists, campers, and families alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.